Hello, myself Sunil R Nair, and here basically we are discussing about one topic, that is currencies and its dependency. One example basically I have taken here. The example is of potato planets and the uh, tomato planets. In tomato planet basically and potato planets, one person told that basically whenever the 5 crore planet basically was moving from the near about the tomato and potato planets, they were basically the tomato and potato planet basically was sending the energies. Basically they were actually not sending, actually it was automatically attracting. So the planets basically 5 crore planet basically got this energy. Basically this energy is got. Now assume that after, just taking as an example, after 300 year the human basically generation started in that planet, basically 5 crore planet. Just taking as an example, basically it might possible that after 3 days basically the human generation will start in that 5 crore planet. Now basically what happened, they basically started having their life, they basically started their having their lifestyle. Now here one person asked that question, basically how basically are they directly can start their life basically. Then the example was of 5 crore basically. Then few people told that basically, do you know basically in corona basically lots of people has died. Where are that body basically? Then one person told that it might possible that basically they might have placed in any of the planets. So assume that this is basically 5 crore planet where basically this people basically has placed, and then basically the body basically generated to human clone. It might possible that basically there basically few people basically might be staying when the attraction happens. So now basically what are the things going to happen? Assume that basically the potato energy basically merged with potato and tomato energy basically merged with the entire 5 crore planets, and each and every area basically got attracted. Each and every planet basically got attracted. Now basically what are the things going to happen? Anything is going to happen to the human body basically. Assume that each and every planet basically having 300 human or 500 human. 500 human basically each 5 crore planet basically is having. So this 500 human basically which is going to attract that tomato basically. So when basically they are going to get that energy basically, on which thinking basically they are going to think basically. Thinking basically means what basically? One person literally asked the question basically what actually thinking is. Then he told that basically when the 500 people basically are, as in that few people basically are staying there, like few people basically are staying with each other. So they will be communicating with each other. Then he told that yes, exactly. So they will be communicating means the energy is going to generate. Then he told that yes, they will be communicating with some story basically. Yes, basically they are going to communicate some story basically. Story means basically they will be telling this, that basically, but they don't know anything basically, right? They don't know basically they have came from where basically. They are just talking like this basically. Like this basically. Assume that few satellite basically are controlling that particular groups. Just taking as an example basically, but this example is real basically. Then he basically told that then he told that they basically started the story. So one person asked the question, when this potato and tomato energy is going to generate as an attraction in that 500 people's body, when this is going to happen? When this is going to happen? Then one person told that basically we need to think here, that we need to check with the satellite group basically. When they have told that to tomato energy and potato energy basically, you have to attract in 500 bodies basically. When basically they have basically given some instruction basically, right? Energy basically not react automatically basically. They basically got some instruction basically that when basically you have to react. So they basically told that that basically need to confirm with the satellite group basically that when the action is going to be happen. Then they told that basically when action will be going to happen. Then he told that what actually they are going to think basically that the action is going to be happen of the tomato and potato energy basically. Then they told that basically this need to check here basically with the satellite group. Satellite group also basically told that basically this also need to check basically because we have dumped each and every attraction basically within the planet basically. So that planet, that is tomato planet and that potato planet, is only basically going to know that story basically. That tomato planet basically you can see, yes basically I can see 3 crore planet, 3 lakh planet is there, not 3 crore. That you can see this 3 crore, 3 lakh tomato planet, yes basically I can see this 3 crore tomato planet. That planet basically need to check basically when basically it's going to attract basically. That basically need to confirm with the satellite groups basically who are handling this entire matrix basically. Entire matrix basically. That is very tough basically, yeah basically. When it is going to attract, that attraction basically is the time. That attraction is the time basically. And one person told that basically when time will come, the attraction is going to happen of the potato and tomato energy in the universe. So time is going to come. So we directly can't attract the planet and energies basically. The time will come, energy is going to automatically get attracts. Then also basically it given the hint basically if you will do one thing, if you will do this all activities basically, then basically the planet basically will, the planet of the tomato basically energy will get attracts. So basically he told that basically do these activities, that activities, this activity, around basically 1000 activities basically he told to that particular person. They basically done that 1000 activities. Then literally basically that tomato and potato energy got attracted, yeah basically. Literally basically they attracted because that planet basically, the 5 crore planet basically was connected with set of satellites, and that satellite was connected with the each and every energy basically which was placed in that 5 crore planet. Placed in that 5 crore planet. So that story basically the person basically was knowing. So according to the story, the attraction happened. And this has done basically. And this has done. This is called done, done. So that time basically that 5 crore planet is going to attract potato and tomato energy. Nothing is going to happen. I can guarantee you basically. In simple language basically whatever human needs basically is from human needs, whatever planets has attracted, has created basically, and when the time will come basically the attraction will happen, and then that time basically nothing is going to happen. That much I can give you the guarantee. That much basically I can give you the use basically previous video basically we have seen each and every video, each and every stories like so anything has happened, nothing has basically happened. So basically nothing is going to happen basically. The things basically is the stories are going to attract at particular time. If they know the stories, they basically know the activities what they have to do, then basically easily basically the planets basically is going to attract. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about the potato planet and tomato planet activities of tomato planet and potato planets in next video.